to another vlog. This one is gonna be a clean with me video because my house is a little dirty. Behave. No, seriously, it's so dirty. So I figured this is the perfect day to just do a nice deep clean. And I need to actually clean out this closet. It's not organized. I got some hair products in there now, and I used to just have it for like towels and rags and just that kind of stuff. But now, since I do my hair in that sink, sometimes I just like to have it like right there, you know? So I need to kind of create a nice area for my hair stuff. A little mini area. Y'all know I got the closet full of my hair products, but I also keep products in this closet that's more so, you know, the stuff that I always use. So I need to organize that. And I also need to do my pantry, which that's a whole day task on its own. So this video might go past just today, but stay with me. First things first, they say you gotta have a good cleaning outfit, okay? Because when you look good, you wanna be good. I don't know, I'm making that up as I go, but I feel like when you do look good, like it makes you wanna do things that your mind told you you need to do. Anyway, we're finna go put on an outfit, a cleaning outfit. Okay. So I was going for a muumuu, but I don't have a muumuu. So I have this. It's from Bali. It's all wrinkly because once you get stuff from Bali and you wash it, it just gets wrinkly, but it's a good cleaning fit. So I figured this would be nice. Also, if you were to try to wear it cute, it does cinch right here. So super cute, but we ain't gonna cinch it. We got work to do. We're about to be getting to it. And I'm actually very excited because I just got this bad boy in the mail. I actually bought this Black Friday and it just got here. So I'm just like, it's about time, but it's a timer. And basically whatever number is on top, that's how many minutes that the timer is going to be on. So if I wanted to do something for 60 minutes, it'll be here. If I wanted 5 minutes, I'll just flip it like that, and so forth and so on. Like, let me show y'all. So I'm gonna turn the timer on. It's on the clock right now. It's 12 o'clock. Wow, that's crazy. It is 12 o'clock. And so as you can see, it's on the 5 minute, and it did 5 minutes. When you flip it, it just switched. How cool. So we are going to be trying to beat the clock. I want to make a game out of it. I feel like it'll be nice to try to beat the clock to see how long it takes. Because in my mind, I actually think that if I have a real perception of how long it takes to get things done, like the laundry or the dishes and stuff like that, then maybe I won't dread it as much. Because I feel like I just really dread it because I think it's gonna take longer than it actually is. And then I let it pile up and then it takes so long. And I know this, but I can't get out of that rhythm. So I feel like this is gonna get me in a better rhythm. That's what we're doing today, friend. I don't know where I'm gonna start. I'm trying to get it in my head, but I'm gonna just start filming and doing what I do. And then I'll check back in and let y'all know like kind of what situation is working best for me. Cause I haven't used this before. This will be my first time using this. So we're gonna see. I might start it off in like a 30-minute timer to see what I can get done in 30 minutes. But we're gonna start off by spraying everything down, like the toilets, the shower, the sinks, just kind of spraying everything that has to sit. First I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna move on to laundry so that we can go ahead and start the first load. I'm gonna strip the bedding off and get all that laundry kind of put in piles so that I'm ready and consistent to get that laundry put out. And then I think we need to start probably organizing the pantry right after that. No, probably do this closet first. I'm gonna have to figure out some type of organization. So we might just start in the bathroom and kind of work my way out of the bedroom. We'll do that.
I am tired now. I did a lot today. This was a very packed cleaning day from top to bottom. Very proud of myself. Still got some stuff to do tomorrow, okay? I do still want to organize the bathroom closet because we need to, like I said, get the hair products organized in there. So we got to do that. But the pantry just looks so good. I'm probably going to clean the refrigerator out too, but that's not going to take long tomorrow. I love the timer, okay? The timer is doing really good. I think I'm going to incorporate it into my life for sure. It helps me stay together, okay? But anyway, friend, I'm about to go do my night routine and take my butt to bed, and I will see you in the morning. Good night. Love you. Bye.